Hi guys, good evening here in Asia Mess Hall. So ready to sharing to you also just for the food here. Wow, look at that, the salad with corn and very tasty. Yes. Same of that. This is from the Arabic. Wow, it's the same sweet. Woohoo! Ooh la la. So now it's beans. Ooh, nice. See? And there are veggie. Wow. Woo, too much chili. Wow. Wow. Too tasty. Huh? It's so hot. Also, very nice. So delicious. And also this one, it's ooh la la, mashallah, nice. See, wow, very creamy. Woohoo, nice. Very delicious. Wow. And the crackers also will be included. Yes. White rice and for protein of fish. Ooh, nice. I like it. Fish. And mongoose. The soup. Of course. Wow. Very nice. I like it this one because too much the onion. See? And tomato. Very nice. See, ooh la la. Nice. Ooh la la. See, they are serving now. Mr. Biro, our very handsome guy, is our waiter to in charge here. See? Hello, Mr. Biro. Hi. And our client, we're here in Nesmo Partner. Hello, see? Look at that, see? Yeah, okay guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share, comment please. Bye bye.